Alright, my name is Chris and I'm at JTech today here with a crank no start car. And what I'm finna do now is show you a directional test to help find a problem. What I'm finna do is pull trouble codes, but it's gonna be a little different than what you usually see because this is a pre-OBD2 car. It was made in 1993, so it has OBD1. So right here I have the instructions on how to hook it up. And what you wanna do is take a paper clip. For this Mazda, I gotta hook it to terminal 10 and ground. So I'm gonna just put the paper clip right there, and I'm gonna get in the car, crank the car, and watch for the engine light to come on. And the code we looking for is yeah, the code we gonna look for is this one on the engine light when I turn the car on. So as you see, the engine light didn't come on, and what could possibly be wrong is the bulb either not working or I just don't have a code.